Welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat. La partie française dans la description. Today we're going to talk about regeneration under ACC and also under MG-Pilot. So I decided to take it's quite a short video, but you can see how the car does the regeneration in those conditions. Okay, so I'll start the video. Well, I'm in a tunnel now, and it's a 7% slope. I'm on Keras 2 and on comfort setting, which is when you start the car is quite normal. And as you can see, the car in front, I mean we're driving 59. I set ACC on 70 and we're on the way down, so the car is braking, and because the one in front is slow, you can see, and we are braking. So I will try as well to put it on MG-Pilot. Here we go, and it does exactly the same. It's also braking, so the MG5 brakes on MG-Pilot and ACC. So there is regen for information. It might be a little bit more depending on your car's setting as well. So thanks for watching, and thanks for your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Donc je suis dans un tunnel. Le tunnel était à 70. Donc je vais mettre à 70. Et voilà. Et donc vous voyez sur la droite, il y a régénération. Donc le setting aussi, j'ai mis Keras 2 et c'est sur confort. Donc le véhicule régénère. Je vais mettre aussi sur MG-Pilot pour voir si MG-Pilot régénère aussi. Donc maintenant on est sur MG-Pilot à 70 km/h. Et elle régénère. Excusez-moi de la qualité de l'image. Donc voilà, si vous avez d'autres questions, n'oubliez pas de me les poser. Et puis, ciao ciao.